Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PayPal subscriptions for recurring memberships. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize PayPal subscriptions for recurring memberships, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Tools menu at the top of the page. Under the Tools menu, select All Tools. In the list that appears, click on PayPal buttons. Next, you will see an option to create a new button. Select Create New Button to begin the process. Choose the subscriptions button type from the available options. Fill in the required details for your subscription. This includes naming your subscription and setting the billing amount. Specify the billing cycle, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. After entering the billing details, scroll down to the Custom Button section. Here, you can choose additional settings like offering a trial period. Once you have customized the button to your liking, click on Create Button. You will then see a generated code for your button. Copy this code to your clipboard. Next, navigate to the website or platform where you want to add the subscription button. Open the HTML editor for your website. Paste the copied code into the desired location on your web page. Save your changes and preview the page to ensure the button appears correctly. Now, let's set up the subscriptions feature. Return to your PayPal account and go to the Profile settings. Under Account Settings, find the section for My Selling Tools. Look for Website Preferences and click on it. Ensure that your payment preferences are enabled for subscriptions. Now, return to the main dashboard and click on Activity to view your transactions. This is where you can manage and track subscription payments. Once completed, your PayPal subscriptions for recurring memberships are now authorized and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.